So good, so very, very good. So good, so good and wonderful. 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 Very, very good. So good and wonderful. Very, very good. So good and wonderful. So good. So good and wonderful. Very, very good. So good and wonderful. Very, very good. So good and so very, very good. So good.
How you doing, baby girl? I haven't seen you in a while. Where you been? Today I'm with very special people. I'd like y'all to say hi to my brother. Say it right quick. Hey, everybody. Let me tell you what we're gonna teach you today. Something very, very important if you want to live as a human being. Tell them what they gotta know. This is what you gotta know: how to make your own custom room. In your room. In your own fucking room. I'm gonna do it with my brother. See, I'm gonna tell Tigger to say hi if he comes through. Let's get it. First thing you wanna do is we're gonna get that appetite. You know what I'm saying? Bread. The most important thing about customizing your room is the preparation. This Tigger's room. Tigger's room kind of fucked up. We're gonna put some grout, get some grout. I don't know where you get grout.
You get it at build it, cement shop, warehouse.
Check it, como you think.
Builders.
Kind of game specific.
Some
You KK. Builders again. But I know cash and carry. You think you can get that? You needed something to get the grout, cause you know you wearing gloves. You don't want the gloves to get grouted out. What you call that shit? That thing got a metal on it.
Looks like a
young show.
Yeah, it looks like a young shovel. Yeah, when was the last time releasing it?
Honestly, bro, I ain't released something in months, bro. I've been bodying these features, you know what I'm saying? I got something on a low dog, the dance EP, bro. That shit lit.
Oh God.
Got like house, deep house, mid tempo, afro. Just good vibes, bro. It's not that deep. Couple of singles coming through. Say I got some couple of things on the way.
You really do. Alive.
Yeah.
It's called Alive. TSA.
He's part of it. He's not all of it, but he's part of it. It's me and him and grinding.
I'm target protection type shit.
It ain't no dick on dick hugging type shit.
Bro, none of that.
Just love and respect, you know what I'm saying?
I got the thing.
Yeah, these are these appliances that you use.
You just you know what I'm saying, when you trying to do that to work. But this is what you gonna do.
Yeah.
I'm here, wherever the surface. I think we're gonna go here. What do you think? What do you want to write?
I mean, we can put it right here.
I mean, we can write downtown Boulevard.
Is the paint white?
The paint might be white.
It might be blue.
It's not blue. It's definitely not blue. The color that's inside.
Hey. Waity, hore, baby gele okono teregela asa hole. Booty, bao Katie, potla rookie. Esneto na le flop ya usputis, and West Pathway now booty.
Artistically known as yours truly. How you doing? Yeah, my phone, but that's cool. I'm tired of food. I'm hungry though. You trying to eat? Trying to eat, bro. You trying to eat?
I ain't trying to eat, but I got it.
You ain't trying. You trying to eat over here? I saw some fries and the thing.
Put the fries.
Yeah, but it's a little bit of fries though.
It's a little bit.
Emanene mina nkhumbula umama wandizalayo yo elele umama wandibeleka emanene mina nkhumbula umama wandizalayo yo elele umama wandibeleka umama wandizalayo elele umama wandibeleka umama wandizalayo umama wandibeleka emanene mina nkhumbula umama wandizalayo elele umama wandibeleka
See how many dad jokes we made today.
Gonna be a foundation to lace.
But he cemented. You meant it, right?
Y'all just cooking up. Man, I can't get this mix right.
The elbow.
Concrete joke.
That's just for the cracks.
This really helps build character. Somebody kicked the bucket.
Somebody died.
One of y'all put a foot on it.
That one's kind of like hard, you know. And hustling, I'll be out here shoveling.
I can dig it. What she dig?
My stick.
I'm about to hit the plug.
Wait, where?
The plug? You gotta hit it for it to work. It's a drill beat. It's called shade. I got screwed.
You got screwed.
Oh, I screwed it up.
Really went off the wall, bro.
North Face, Vans off the wall. And off
Don't
the
explain
wall.
the jokes, eh?
But
I apologize, baby girl. I know you dumb as fuck.
Personally, I don't like calling women dumb. You know, I think everybody different. Everybody do different, you know.
So,
That shit lit.
y'all here stretching it out.
Thank you.